Hi, here's a quick example of how to get a limit of a function from a graph. And here on this graph here, I have my f of x depicted here, and I'm asking here two questions. The first would be, what's the limit of f of x when x approaches to 2 from the left? And here's what's the limit of f of x when x approaches to 2 from the right. Just remember here something. This superindex here, there's a negative sign. It stands for from the left, and this superindex, which has a positive sign, stands for from the right. So I'm going to start with this one. That is, what's the limit of f of x when x approaches to 2 from the left? And here on the graph, that is, I will be getting closer to number 2 from the left. I would be, let's say, I would input to this function a value such as 1.999, and this would get me really close to this value here, which is, as you can see here from the scale, this is number 2. So that would be my limit. As I get closer and closer to this value from the left, this would be number 2, the limit of f of x when x approaches 2 from the left. I'm going to do the second one. This is pretty much the same question, just approaching from the right here. So that is, if I would be getting closer and closer to the 2 from the right, if I would input to this function a number such as 2.001, I would be getting something really close to this value, because I will be moving along the graph from here to here. And just by looking at the scale here, I can see we'll be getting really close to a number 4, a positive 4 here. And so the limit from the right would be a positive 4. Now the question here is, I'm going to write it in here. We can just pretty much see that the limit of f of x when x approaches 2 from the left, and the limit when x approaches to 2 from the right of f of x, these two guys are different from each other. And as they are different from each other, therefore, the limit of f of x, I'm going to write it here using this one here. The limit when the limit of f of x when x approaches to 2 would be a super nice doesn't exist. You have to remember just these two limits from the left and from the right, you should approach or get to the same value in order for the general limit to exist. Now I'm just going to mention some extra thing here before finishing the video. If I would be asking, what is the value for f of 2? The value for f of 2, it's in here. As you can see, this value included here, so the value of 2 it's equal to 4 here, just to make sure in the future you will notice something. So well, basically that would be it with this video.